Hi guys, Tamalayo143 here and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. So I'm gonna be showing you unboxing video, but this time it's not gonna be about Tamagotchi. This time it's gonna be about my plushie collection. Nag-start lang ako mag-collect ng plush nung February kasi grabe yung pambubudo sa akin ng isang friend ko. And pinabili niya ako ng isa lang, which was the Baby 3 Constellation. And since then, nahook na ako sa plush, especially sa Baby 3 kasi ang cute-cute ng Baby 3. It has different faces, different kinds of eyes, and also different designs. Without further ado, I'll be showing you these babies. Iba dito, binay over ko, especially dito. And then, eto, yung V4 naman, Lila V4, in-order ko talaga sila kasi I really wanted to collect all the liquid eyes of the Lila V4. So, I'm still missing 3. And then these ones, Banyo Returns. Actually, bumili ako ng isang buong set thinking that I will be able to grab the big secret, pero hindi. Ang nag-grab ko lang is yung surprise. I already have one dun sa corner. Yan. So, may dupe na akong surprise. So, let's start with this. Ito, ang Baby 3 phone lanyard. There. Na-buy over ko to from a friend of mine kasi ang target lang naman niya yung secret. So, anyway, let's start. Ito yung design. Ang dami, diba? So, let's re-unbox here. Okay. So, I bought this one, the yellow one, the chicken or KFC. It's what they call it in China. So, because I like the color yellow. Yun lang yung pinaka-rason. So, here it is. It's not gonna be a surprise since, again, na-unbox naman na to. There. I bought this confirmed. This is the KFC. So, ito yung nakaganda kay Baby 3. Meron siyang iba't ibang design sa face, makeup. Ito din, may fangs. Wow. Chicken na may fangs. So cute. And then the purple hair. So nice. The eyes though. The eyes. Anyway, I like the color here. And it's the side-to-side moving eye. There's also the 360 degree eyes. Yun naman yung naro-roll talaga. Ayun. So, cute naman to. I like it. Next one. This one. It's the elephant. Here's the card. It's the Dora eyes. I think I bought this one just because of the eyes. Color yellow. And the makeup. It's so nice. I'm not sure if I can switch or swap faces kasi ang liit eh. I haven't tried, but maybe I'll try because the yellow hair might look good on this yellow chicken. Look at the face. Look at the mouth. It's the same with my Baby 3 1000. There. Okay. So, ang cute lang. I love them. This one is actually a gift from my friend. Yung may-ari nung dalawang lanyards kanina. So, she gifted this to me. Here are the designs. And the secret. So, let's open it. Let me show you the card. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ito, lucky bag nga siya kasi pwede kang maglagay ng anik-anik. Maliliit lang. Maliliit lang yung pwedeng malagay sa loob. Ito. My earbuds. Kasha ba siya? No, hindi. Nakausli. Oh gosh. Ayan, kasha. Ayan, kasha na. So, face reveal. 1, 2, 3, go! So, Dora Eyes again. Ang ganda ng makeup dito. Ano ba to? Apple. Clouds. And then, ang ribbon. Purple and yellow? Or what? Pink hair. And then, cat smile. May fangs din. Wow, cute. So, i-display ko to. Hindi ito mawawala sa display case ko kasi gift to siya ng friend ko. Okay. Ito din, binay-over ko din siya sa friend kong nagbigay nung lucky bag. It's a Baby 3 mirror. Ang mga designs, yan sila. And then, ito pa. So, let's unbox. Actually, in-unbox ko na to. And then, kinuha ko lang yung face. Transfer ko doon sa surprise mirror ko. I have the surprise already eh. So, yun. That's what I like about Baby 3 because you can swap faces easily. So, ayan. It's a color yellow. So, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oops. Okay. So, face reveal. Ayan. Ang cute. Yellow hair. Surprise face. The ribbon. Star. Oh. And this is the 360 eyes. 360 degree eyes. Then, here. And the ears. Wow. Ang sarap sa kamay, promise. Yan yung gusto ko sa Baby 3 talaga eh. Ayan. Super cute. So, ito, Lila V3. And I decided to buy over this one because I already have the V3 curly hair, the white one. And I needed the partner, which is the yellow one, curly hair. So, yeah. Ito na ang mga designs ng V3. They don't have liquid eyes sa version na to. They only have special eyes and AB eyes. Na-attract lang talaga ako sa mga liquid eyes. Ewan ba, ang ganda lang talaga ng effect ng liquid eyes kasi sa akin. Pero ito naman, favorite color ko siya. That's why I decided to buy over this. Then, may accessory siyang ribbon. Ito. Ta-da! Woo! Yellow eyes. Yellow star eyes. Yellow fur. Perfect. Ang ganda ng eyes. I'm not sure kung nakikita niyo. And let's put the ribbon on. Wow. Cute. Kinikilig ako sa yellow. So, this is the Lila V4. Ito yung first series ng Lila na merong liquid eyes except for the 600 version. Meron na yung liquid eyes. Pero sa regular version, regular size version, ito yung first na may liquid eyes. So, I bought this one from a seller na puro liquid eyes lang talaga. So, it's kind of pricey pero worth it naman for me. Here are the designs. So there are a total of 7 designs, including the secret. So eto, open na natin. So, ito yung accessory niya. Okay, face reveal. In 3, 2, 1. I already have this one in my collection, pero regular eyes lang. But this one, it's liquid eyes. Come on. It's not focusing. It's black liquid eyes. Ang ganda ng liquid eyes talaga, promise. Next one. Here. Oh, I have the heart. It's this one. So ito. Tada! Wala nang face reveal eh. Naka-attach na din yung accessory niya. So, it's a silver liquid eyes. May glitters lang siya. There. And then, here is my last Lila V4 with liquid eyes. Ta-da! And the accessory. So, here. Let's open this one. Ta-da! This is so cute. This is my first ever pink liquid eyes. Gosh. See? Ang ganda. Ang ganda na pagka-pink niya. Promise. Bagay din sa fur. There. Wow. So I'm so happy I have these 3 in my collection. So next month, maybe I'll buy the other 3 colors. Hopefully, it will not be that expensive pa since hindi pa naman siya. Medyo matagal na din to, mga 2 months ata since na-release. So hopefully, makakukuha pa ako nung other 3 colors ng liquid eyes. Totally worth it. And then lastly, I have these bunnies, baby return bunnies from Baby 3. Ito ata yung may pinakamarami akong dupe. So, let's start. Ito. Actually, favorite ko to siya kasi maganda yung ears. Mahaba. So, ito. I think I have all the colors na. Except for this one. I saw this one because I really don't like purple. And I'm really missing the big secret lang. Kung meron man dyan naglalit ko ng reasonable price, let me know. Gave me a gift. Sand card to. Ata. Sand card ba to? Oh, sand card. And then, here's a card. And, ang nakaganda pala sa Baby 3, may scent siya. I love the scent so much. Kaya, siguro nahuhook talaga ako sa Baby 3. Yung iba naman meron pa ding scent, pero mas maganda talaga yung scent ni Baby 3. Fan lang talaga ako. So, 1, 2, 3, face reveal. Ta-da! It's got the 360 degrees rolling eyes. Ayun. And then, pink hair. And then, eto talaga. Ang ganda. Yan. So cute. And then the other one. Let's unbox this. Hindi ko na maalala. Medyo matagal na din to. Ayun, yellow. Kita na agad. So, meron ding gift. Here. 3 gifts. Ayan. Here's a card. Yellow. This one has regular eyes. Regular moving eyes. I'm not sure kung 360 ba or side to side. Yeah, it's side to side. You see? It has different makeup. Big stars. Yellow hair, yellow fur, orange bow. Ayan. Ang cute lang. Ang cute, diba? I really like this color yellow. And then the last one, this will be the surprise black one. Just because it's a surprise. So, meron din siyang gift sa loob. Oopsie. Ayan. Here's a card. Ta-da! It's a black bunny. Here is ta-da! The surprise one. Woo! It's really got nice eyes. Ang ganda. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one unless if I'll be able to buy the big secret with rolling eyes at a cheaper price. Isa-swap ko na lang yung face nila. Kasi pink dots yun eh, yung design. Ito pink hair. So bagay to sa kanya, if ever. Anyway, it's not my prio now kasi parang may mas madami pang magagandang versions. Kaya ito muna. Ayun. See? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng eyes. mesmerizing. And then the makeup, love. And then bunnies. And then the eyes, my heart sa loob. Kumikinang-kinang. Okay. Okay, so eto na yung end ng video na to. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. I know awkward ako kasi first time ko naman gumawa ng unboxing video ng mga plush. And yeah, nag-enjoy ako paulit-ulit sa paggawa ng video na to. And then, eto lang yung pinaka favorite ko sa lahat. Yung pink liquid eyes. And of course, the yellow ones. Pero ito talaga yung parang special sa unboxing na to. And hopefully next time I'll be able to do blind box unboxing na if meron pang interested na manood. Hopefully meron pang manonood sa inyo. So yan. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!